Hello and welcome to this tour of number 115 Woosehill Road here in North Woodley. So we are a non-estate location, and what we have here is a particularly large chalet bungalow, very flexible accommodation, even with annex potential as well, which you'll see as we wander around inside. So I'm just going to start by giving you an idea of what we have at the front of this property. So firstly, we have wrought iron gates here. So it's a wrought iron gated entrance with a block paved drive, pretty extensive. Let me just step over here and try and give you an idea of exactly what we have. Parking, I'm guessing, for probably 5 or even 6 vehicles. Obviously we've got the garage there as well. So I'm just stepping this side so that I'm not pointing towards the sun. Let's take you inside the property. Firstly, we do have quite a large entrance porch here, with a further door taking you into the entrance hall. I'll just step forward and turn around. Okay, so let's now give you the tour inside. So just before we do wander through this property, just a couple of things to mention. I am making a recording of this, so that will be seen online later on today. If you have any questions, then please do type away. Those questions will come through to me and I'll try and answer them as best as I can. We have actually had a fairly good reaction on this property. We've got 12 people watching today, so welcome to everybody. But also, if you'd like to book a viewing of this property at any time during this tour, you will see at the corner of your screen a button that says request a private inspection. Simply click on that and an email will be sent to us straight away telling us that you want to have a look. We'll then give you a call and we'll arrange your viewing appointment. So that's the formalities out of the way. Let's now have the tour. So into the entrance hall, as you can see here, quite a big entrance hall. It's got a good width to it. So this gives you access on my left-hand side here through to the lounge. And we do have 2 quite good sized storage cupboards here. To the left-hand side here, you'll notice a door there through to the dining area. And then on the right-hand side, this will take you through to 3 bedrooms, or depending how you want to use it, this could be the annex accommodation. I'll show you that in just a minute. So first of all, let's show you the lounge. So this is at the front of the property, but it actually has dual aspect windows. Side aspect window to my right over there. You'll see we've got a focal point, the brick fireplace surround there. The windows on this property are UPVC double glazed sealed units. This particular one with the leaded finish. Try and give you an idea of the full extent of this room. Given that we've got a sort of separate dining area elsewhere, this is all lounge, so really quite a good sized lounge. And you'll see the radiator on the right hand side there, and another one just around the corner. So that is the lounge. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take you over to the right hand side of the property here. So this is where it does offer the annex potential, or indeed there is another lounge over here. So through the archway here we've got this hallway with 3 rooms. Okay, so I'm going to start by showing you the room to the rear of the property, because this could in fact be the additional reception room. As you can see, currently set up as a second lounge. Equally, it could be a bedroom. You'll see we've got French doors there overlooking the rear garden, and if I just spin round, another window to my left there. Again, UPVC double glazed with the leaded finish. Let's just give you an idea what the view is out here into the garden through these French doors. So this could be a reception room, alternatively it could be another bedroom. And then if I then make a way back into this hallway, in front of me there, I would probably say this is the master bedroom for this property, because on the left hand side here we've got an ensuite. Let's show you the bedroom area first. So this is the front of the house, a nice big bay window, again UPVC double glazing, plenty of room for usual wardrobes, bed and further furniture. It's got a good width to it, this bedroom. And if I then just spin round into here, there's the doorway entrance into the master bedroom. But on the right hand side here, this takes you into, it's a 4-piece bathroom suite, because on my left hand side just here, you'll see we've got quite a big walk-in shower. And then behind the wall here we have the bath, the low-level WC, and then on the right hand side the wash basin. Nicely tiled side aspect window there, that's a frosted window. You can see we've got a storage cupboard underneath that work surface there. So fully tiled, and also nice tiled floor as well. Interestingly, actually the tiled floor does actually move into the shower area, which effectively creates the sort of wet room effect. Okay, so that is the ensuite bathroom and shower to the main bedroom, and then back into this hallway we have another bedroom here on the side of the house, that is, of course. Plenty of room for wardrobes here. Okay, so that's one side of this property. So we've got 3 bedrooms and an ensuite. Alternatively, obviously you've got the additional lounge. Now coming back into the main entrance hall, on the right hand side here we do have a family bathroom, so let's show you that now. So a white suite, there's the panel bath there with shower attachment. You can see the low-level WC, the wash basin with lots of vanity cupboards all along here. Again, fully tiled. Nice bathroom suite and a good size as well. So that is the main family bathroom. So now moving over to this side of this property. This is where we have the dining area and the kitchen. So firstly into the dining area. So what we have here is a large opening through to the kitchen. To my left hand side there, door taking you into the study, or it could be bedroom 5. And then turning round, you can see we've got a staircase leading into the first floor, where we have another bedroom and its own ensuite. I'm just going to show you the study here first. So we've got a front aspect window with a door leading to the rear of the garage, sort of access to the rear of the garage, that is. So certainly as a study goes, it's a good sized study. I'll just show you through here. I'm sure a lot of you would have looked at the floor plan and you may realise this, but we just have a little area here through this door to my left hand side, and that just takes you to a door straight into the garage. So that's the study, back into the dining area, and let's show you the kitchen. Kitchen breakfast room, really good size. It's an extended part of this property. We do have a utility room as well, which I'll show you in just a moment. But as you can see, we've got white gloss style units with built-in double oven there. And also the 4-ringed gas hob. I am pleased to see, by the way, that some of you are clicking on the request a private inspection. So thank you for that. I have got a question that's come in. It just asking me what direction is the property. Now I assume you're talking about which way the property faces to the front. I'm pretty sure it's going to be towards the west. So the front of the property should face the west. I can clarify that for that person if needed afterwards, but I'm pretty sure that's fairly accurate. Okay, so back to the kitchen. Work surface space, as you can see, with the sink unit there. Spinning round, more work surface space, including this breakfast table here. As you can see, we've got a side aspect window, a door to the rear garden there. Let's just step over in this direction and just point my way back into the dining area. And then spinning full round. In the corner there, by the way, by the back door, we've got a built-in fridge freezer. And just to give you an idea of the view out the front, out the rear I should say. Okay, so that's the kitchen. I'm now going to take you through into this area here, which is all part of the utility area. So the main utility room is through there. In front of me here, we do have a big cupboard which houses the gas-fired boiler. Here's the utility room. There's the work surface with wash basin, drainer, eye level units, plumbing for the washing machine, of course, and then there's the door giving you direct access to the rear garden. Just behind me, we've got space there for a further, looks like that might be a tumble dryer, and alternatively an additional fridge freezer would sit there nicely, I should think. But that's the cupboard where the boiler lives. Okay, so just reversing up, back into the kitchen, and now let's show you the first floor. So hopefully many of you would have seen the floor plan online. That would certainly help you because this property is a sort of rambling property. We've got lots of accommodation, lots of good sized rooms, so this video tour I hope isn't confusing. I'm sure the floor plan will help. So we're on the first floor now. So this is a loft conversion. Just on my left hand side you can see part of the bedroom there with built-in wardrobe. It's the rear aspect window, and I'm just going to spin round. As you can see, we do have a double bed in situ, and to my right hand side over there, more built-in wardrobes. Eaves cupboards there, and a door taking you into the ensuite. So left hand side we've got a shower cubicle, lots of work surface space with vanity covered as under. There's the wash basin and the low level WC. Just going to step in because it's quite a good size ensuite. There's a heated towel rail that comes off the central heating. And we have a Velux window here, skylight window I should say. So there's the first floor bedroom. So we've seen certainly 4 bedrooms, potentially 5. We've seen 3 bathrooms, the lounge, the dining area, big kitchen and utility. So now I've finished this tour by showing you the downstairs. I've just had another question come in. It's asking me about proximity to shops for this property. I'm pretty sure you're probably talking about proximity towards Woodley shopping centre. I would say that's certainly within walking distance of this property. There are other sort of more local shops much closer by, but I would think that Woodley shopping centre is probably no more than a 15-minute walk away for most people, so certainly within a short walk. So the rear garden to finish the tour. Let's just look to my right. We've got a big patio area here. And I'm just wandering over here because to the right hand side here we've got the side access, and then turning around, focusing on the garden, you can see we've got a good trees to the rear boundary, mainly laid to lawn. And in the corner, the white building there, that is currently used purely for storage, but certainly has a lot of potential to be, it could be a home office, workshop, all sorts really. let me just step along here and I'll turn around and just give you, to finish this tour, a look at the back of the property. Just focusing on this building for a second, because that certainly is going to lend itself to all sorts of possibilities. And there we have the rear of this property. You can see a very wide property. So I think best way to describe this is a bit like a TARDIS. You never know how big it is from the front, but it is quite large. 5 bedrooms potentially, with 2 reception rooms, or maybe 4 bedrooms, 3 reception rooms. So any further questions you may have, my name is Gary, so do call the number at the bottom of your screen, or I should say on the website rather, and then you can ask me any questions. I'll try and answer those. Alternatively, thank you for those people that have clicked on the request a private inspection. We'll get you booked in, we'll give you a call. It just remains for me to say thank you to everybody for watching.